Hello to the crypto community, world, and the Dogecoin community. This is Cali Crypto 209 coming back at you with a price analysis for the cryptocurrency markets. We had an awesome retraction of price value for Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Dogecoin is holding at 0.51 cents above that resistance level of 0.495. Bitcoin did have some excellent action making its way, trying to push that $51,000 level. It's good to see that Bitcoin is still holding at $50,000. Bitcoin does need to hold at least $51,000 to see us push even further. I definitely think that this is just the beginning for its price action. If Bitcoin can hold above 51,000, it's going to be really interesting to see where the rest of the cryptocurrency markets will go. So Dogecoin is holding at 0.51. I am hoping for Dogecoin to recapture the 0.52 area, which is really important. So there is a lot going on. I know the stimulus check was passed, so a lot of people were excited and ready to invest that money into the cryptocurrency market. I can see that Bitcoin will be having a nice run up to at least that $53,000 range. But we are going to have a lot of selling action trying to keep us down a little bit below that $50,000. I think there is still that level of $50,000 for Bitcoin to recapture and stay above. But it is good to see that Dogecoin is holding at 0.51 cents and it has not fell below, back down to that lower trend line of 0.495. Well, so I think I did actually max out my level on another one of my trading apps. I'm not exactly sure why, because they have a like $20,000 to $50,000 level, and I was not even buying that much cryptocurrency, but they were not allowing me to purchase more cryptocurrency. I definitely have been FOMOing in, but I can just see the price evaluations for where we're going to end up. I'm very confident in making those right choices. So I did buy some more Dogecoin. Pretty excited to see where, not exactly where, but when Dogecoin and Bitcoin can be holding a higher price value. But it is really important for Bitcoin to hold $50,000. And I can see that we are struggling just a bit to get above that. But from now, 55,000 should not be hard for Bitcoin to recapture and hold at that level. Okay, Jay, we have Jay back watching another live stream. Hello, B-Boy, thank you for joining me. I hope we should have a lot more people introduced to cryptocurrency, learning about how they can utilize it. Dogecoin is still holding above 0.51 cents, which is really good as a higher area of resistance. As our last week area of resistance was around 0.485 and 0.45 as a lower trend line. It's good to see that we have had that flush of increase and have been holding above that level of 5 cents. Thank you, B-Boy Alex, for being here. All right, not only did Bitcoin have a interesting amount of price action. Ethereum did as well. We know that Ethereum 2.0 will be coming out pretty soon. So Ethereum right now is really undervalued. I do see Ethereum making at least $5,000. So that is completely double the price that it is currently standing. B-Boy Alex says, do I have Discord? No, not at the moment. I just have a few social accounts. I don't have a Discord at the moment. Okay, so it was really interesting to see that Dogecoin was trying to make it back up to that higher resistance level of 0.52 and 0.53. I think that still coalesces with where Bitcoin is going at 52,000 and that $53,000 level for Bitcoin. So when we capture that for Bitcoin, we can hope to see that Dogecoin does not go below a price value of 0.55 cents, because we will be trying to recapture that 6263 level. I can see that happening within the next month, maybe 2 months from now, with all the motivation that cryptocurrency has definitely captured over the over such a short period of time. So Dogecoin trying to push up, still holding at 0.51 cents. Let's see if we can make it to 0.52 cents. We are playing around that resistance level above 5 cents. That is really good to see. B-Boy Alex asks, do I have a Telegram? Yes, I do have a Telegram. I believe I can start a group, or however it works. But yes, I do have a Telegram. All right, so to get back to Ethereum, I know a lot of people are still on the staking list. There's waiting list for staking on your Ethereum 2.0. So I myself am on that waiting list. I'm hoping that they can update that soon so we can all be earning extra passive income on your cryptocurrency. Staking is something that I mentioned in my last live stream for the first time. So if you are new to the cryptocurrency market, you should find more information about staking your cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is trying to hold above that $50,000 level, trying to push its way up to $50,500. B-Boy Alex says to put a pin message. I'm not sure how to do that, but we're going to figure it out. Message. Okay, I'll definitely try to figure that out in a little further in the live stream. So Dogecoin is trying to hold at 0.51 cents. Let's see if we can break above the 0.51 cents resistance level. It is good to see that we have those stimulus checks coming, so I'm sure that a lot of people will be putting those assets, if they do not need them immediately, into other areas like cryptocurrency and stocks. So I am hoping for a lot more action within GME. I'm still holding strong on my GME. Ethereum is holding above 1,600 at $1,660. I believe I did buy some more Ethereum around 1,580 or 1,590. So I did get a good entry point for Ethereum. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding above 5 cents at 0.51 cents, trying to recapture that resistance level of 0.52 cents. We are having that rejection for Bitcoin, so it might take us just a moment for Dogecoin to increase in price value. Yes, it is good to see how a while ago, or at least a couple years ago, I can see that technology was seen as something that would really separate people with phones and make people a lot more apart and in their own world. But it has kind of done the opposite, and it has allowed us to come together in a fashion that we have never been able to do so, and cryptocurrency has even increased that momentum. So it is good to see such a wide variety of people coming together on one thing to really change the way and the dynamic of how things work. So I'm so happy to be here with everyone in the cryptocurrency community. Litecoin is trying to push up to $200. It is having those revisions done for Litecoin. So we can see Litecoin trying to push that $250 level, as its all-time high was around $240. And yes, to go back to your comment, B-Boy Alex, I will be trying to increase my social platforms pretty soon. And we will try to get more of a discussion going on for what people are doing, what people are investing in, what cryptocurrencies are giving you the best value. Oh, B-Boy Alex, thank you for that comment. I really appreciate it. Yes, I don't urge anyone to subscribe if they don't want to. If they're interested in watching me talk about price levels all day, then definitely yes, thank you. Okay, so Dogecoin is holding right at 0.51 cents. It did try to push up just ever so slightly up to that 0.518. We are having just a lot more selling pressure with the increase that we had just yesterday. It was very surprising to see that Bitcoin was trying to push above 51,000, but we really needed to hold at that 51,000. And then we can see that it is going to be a really good remainder of price value for Bitcoin. I can see that this is just the beginning. If it continues this way, Bitcoin can be at least $60,000 to $65,000. Okay, Dogecoin is trying to hold. We did have that resistance right at 0.51 cents. So the lowest we got for Dogecoin was right above 5 cents, still holding at 0.502 cents. It is still possible for us to fall back down to that lower resistance level of 0.495 cents. At this moment, I really don't see it happening with the news with Mark Cuban and the tickets being sold for Dogecoin. So there's a lot of capturing of people learning about how Dogecoin can actually be used. Not only Dogecoin, as it was considered a meme coin, but it is a cryptocurrency that can be used just as the other cryptocurrencies. Okay, let's see if we can recapture 0.515 cents. Jay says, when Bitcoin goes up, Dogecoin will go up. Yes, that is true. It's not necessarily if Bitcoin goes up, but when Bitcoin goes up, because I know that it's going to increase from here a lot. $50,000 is hard to hold at, but I'm sure we will be at $60,000 to $65,000 for Bitcoin pretty soon. So that is just amazing to see that the retracement for Bitcoin has been so vigorous and it has not backed down. I know we have a lot of hodlers out there, myself included. I have definitely upped my positions quite a lot on cryptocurrency, as my trading platforms have completely halted me from buying cryptocurrency, saying that I just have been buying too much within the day. So we will have to look into that for me opening more platforms to purchase. Yes, B-Boy Alex says, yeah, this is going to be a really good year for cryptocurrency. It is looking like a very bullish year. We are not backing down, so that is really good to see. Last year was kind of the first inclination of cryptocurrency. People just kind of putting their feet in the water, not really going all in. I have not sold a kidney yet, so we are still good for my investments. Is that okay? B-Boy Alex says Bitcoin to $100,000. Yes, Bitcoin is going to make $100,000. It's just a matter of when and how quickly we can hold that level, because making $100,000 is going to be a lot of selling pressure trying to push us back down. So that will be really interesting to see if we can make it to $100,000 and above for Bitcoin. Dogecoin is still holding above 5 cents at 0.51. Jay says Ethereum to 10,000. Yes, I can see Ethereum making $10,000. That is pretty easy for Ethereum to gain that price momentum. $10,000 is not that much actually. So yeah, Ethereum can definitely capture that price value. B-Boy Alex says you do trading. Yes, trading is a good way to gain on your cryptocurrency, but it does take a lot of patience and price evaluations for when you do your ins and outs for trades. I do not do day trading, as it's just too it's too much for me to go on, and I'm not really investing thousands of dollars at the moment for cryptocurrency. So day trading is better for you if you are having a bigger position for its trading. Okay, we are having that slight resistance for Bitcoin right at $50,100. Hopefully we can recapture that $50,500 for Bitcoin. Really holding up above $51,000 is important for not only Bitcoin but the other cryptocurrencies to hold their price values. I did buy some Uniswap. I was just loving how the price charts were looking for Uniswap, and I did invest into that altcoin. I did mention a few other cryptocurrencies that I invested in my last live stream. Weeboy says if it goes up or down, you still make profit. Yeah, it's good to trade in that form. It's just a lot of you have to be like really into the charts to be doing those trades. So that is good if you do know how to go around that. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.51 cents. We are looking to recapture that resistance of 0.515 cents, hoping to hold above 0.51 to 0.52 cents as a new higher area of resistance. Hopefully we can have a slight amount of price action in the crypto markets. We know that evenings are a bit more interesting for its volatility. Dogecoin recapturing 0.514 cents. We are having Bitcoin try really hard at $50,100. So there is still a lot of selling pressure at that $50,000 level. Yes, B-Boy Alex, thank you for that comment. We did have those corrections back in 2017 and 2018. So it is kind of playing out the same way where we had those corrections, but after we had those corrections, it increased by a lot. As you can see, the stock markets did have that complete V formation, reclaiming those prices that they fell. So with that slight rejection for Dogecoin at 0.515 cents, back down to 0.513 cents. We're looking to hold at that level of 0.515 cents, hoping to recapture 0.52 cents. We should be trading around that price value by the end of next week into when people start to get those stimulus checks. So a slight amount of resistance for Bitcoin, still trading at $50,000, not holding above 50,500. Yeah, this should be a really interesting year and into the end of the year. I'm sure we should be holding around $60,000 to $65,000 for Bitcoin, if not higher than that. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever created, so it is going to be the main form of transactional value if we completely switch into digital assets. B-Boy Alex, when Elon sells Bitcoin, yes, selling your cryptocurrency can have a slight impact on the price value, but there's just so many people learning about what cryptocurrency is and holding it that I really do not see people who are selling who hold a large amount having that price value tampered that much, because we just have so many people holding them, so there's not going to be too much volatility. But it is going to take a lot of work for us to stabilize at a agreeable price value. Dogecoin is still above 5 cents at 0.51 cents. Bitcoin next week 255. Yeah, that's possible, but we really are having that resistance right at 50,000. So if we cannot hold at $50,000, we can see that retracement back to $47,000, maybe lower than that. So we really have to see if Bitcoin can hold above $50,000 to then recapture those higher resistance levels. But it would be good to see if Bitcoin can hold up about $55,000. That is going to happen. It's just when it's going to happen. We are just trading sideways as there is so much selling pressure still going on. I have been looking at some more updated hard wallets to store my cryptocurrency, and I did find one that I was really interested in. So I will be ordering a updated hardware wallet to store my cryptocurrency offline. It is important to do so because if the internet goes down or if we have problems with electricity, you can be reassured that your cryptocurrency assets will be safe. B-Boy Alex says, Doge to 5.3. Yeah, if Bitcoin can hold that $52,000 to $53,000, you can see that Dogecoin will be holding around 0.52 cents up to 0.54 cents. But we are still having that resistance at 0.51 cents, as Bitcoin is having that selling pressure right at $50,000. B-Boy Alex says, I don't have any coin. You mean you don't own any cryptocurrency and you just trade it? Yeah, that's definitely an option. I mean, there's a lot of people doing a lot of things, but the majority of people are buying cryptocurrency to hold it as a long-term asset. I myself am holding cryptocurrency for the long run. Dogecoin trying to recapture 0.514 cents. Let's see if we can hold at this resistance level of 0.514 cents. I'm sure we can if Bitcoin can hold at that resistance level of $50,500. This was a more interesting weekend than I expected. It did not look as though we were going to hold over 50,000 for Bitcoin, but it does look like we are having a lot more momentum with institutions and platforms buying more cryptocurrency. PayPal's added platform for buying cryptocurrency does not allow you to withdraw your crypto assets, so that is something to think about if you are buying cryptocurrency from PayPal. They do not give you your withdrawal keys for holding your cryptocurrency offline. You're only allowed to buy and sell, which I really don't see is a good thing, but it is good for if you're just trying to gain a little bit of price value and then sell those assets. But if you're looking to withdraw your cryptocurrency, you definitely want to have a platform that allows you to do so. B-Boy Alex says you're doing a deal, you're doing a trade for Doge. Yeah, and that's good. It's good to be making money off of these assets and not having those central banks just hold the mass majority of wealth. We are going to see a lot of wealth being distributed amongst people who recently did not have anything, so that is going to be really interesting to see. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.514 cents, not dropping below that resistance level of 5 cents even. Still playing around at 50,100 for Bitcoin. Not really increasing in price value too much, but we should be having that slight amount of pickup by this evening. Evenings do seem to be a lot more interesting for the cryptocurrency markets. Yes, trading is something that I probably will try to learn more about when I can increase my assets, but I am just looking to accumulate as much cryptocurrency as I can at the moment, because we are going to have a sharp increase in price value, and 5 cents for Dogecoin will be pretty small in comparison to where we will be standing in the next couple months. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding at 0.514 cents. We're looking to hold above 0.52 cents. I did buy some more Litecoin as well. I'm hoping to at least hold a few Litecoin because Litecoin is going to be right behind Ethereum and its increase for its price value. I can't see that happening. I'm making at least a $1,000 Litecoin. So the current price value of $200 is a really good pickup for Litecoin. Okay, Dogecoin still holding at 0.514 cents. And B-Boy Alex, on my Telegram, it's just my name, Grace Washington. So I'll be looking more into how to start a link or group as you were talking about, so we can have more of a discussion about what's going on. Okay, we're looking to hold up above 0.51 cents for Dogecoin. We are having that slight amount of resistance again for Bitcoin, still at $50,000. That is a really hard level for Bitcoin to hold, right at $50,000. Trying to hold above $51,000 is really important. But all in all, the cryptocurrency markets have had a good increase in price value from where we were standing a couple weeks ago. We are recapturing those higher resistance levels, so that is good to see. Dogecoin is still holding its price value above 5 cents at 0.514 cents, not dropping below that resistance level of 5 cents even. We have a resistance level below 5 cents at 0.495 cents, but I do not think we should be seeing Dogecoin make that lower resistance level unless we just have a lot more selling pressure over the next few days, which I think people are just trying to accumulate as much Bitcoin as they can. At least I'm trying to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I can, because I know when the stimulus check comes, we're going to have at least that $55,000 Bitcoin. B-Boy Alex, thank you for that comment. Yes, I will do that. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding at 0.51 cents, trying to recapture that resistance level right at 0.515 cents. That is another important resistance level for Dogecoin to hold above is 0.515 cents. Okay, we are still holding at 0.514 cents. We need to hold above that resistance level of 0.515 cents, recapturing that higher area of price value at 0.52 cents. We are having that slight rejection back down to 0.513 cents. It shouldn't be too difficult for Dogecoin to hold above that price value, as we do have the backing of Mark Cuban now and the acceptance of Dogecoin for tickets. So the purchase and sell of digital assets should be increasing within the next few weeks. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.513 cents. Yes, my YouTube channel is still new, so we should be having a lot more content coming to you. I have got a lot more interested in cryptocurrency over the last few months, so I am self-employed, so working from home is something that I do, but cryptocurrency has just been so easily accessible that I have gotten a lot more into cryptocurrency. So we should be having a lot more price evaluations and chart values for cryptocurrency. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.513 cents. We are still having that resistance for Bitcoin right at $50,000. So it is important for Bitcoin to increase in its price value. And you can see the other cryptocurrencies falling right behind Bitcoin. There is just that selling pressure right at $50,000. So it is going to be really difficult for Bitcoin to hold at that level. Still holding at 0.513 cents. Trying to recapture that initial price value of 0.515 cents. I believe it was on February 25th that resistance level for Dogecoin was around 6 cents. So if we do have that bullish pickup for Dogecoin in price value up to 0.58 cents, we can be hoping to recapture that 6 cents evaluation for Dogecoin. Okay, at 0.514 cents. Hopefully we do not have that correction for Bitcoin decreasing in price value. Holding up about $50,000 is going to be really difficult for Bitcoin, but if it does, we should see a lot more interesting price action than we have been seeing. So it's going to get really, really interesting for Bitcoin. As we were stating before, $55,000 should not be difficult for Bitcoin to reclaim, as the all-time high was around $58,000. That's going to be another area of resistance that Bitcoin is going to have to climb above and hold around $60,000. So that should be really interesting to see. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.514 cents, trying to recapture that resistance level of 0.515 cents. but we still should be looking out for those entry points. If you are investing, we do still have those corrections. So those resistance levels to look out for are 0.495 cents for Dogecoin and around $48,000 to $49,000 for Bitcoin. Still holding at 0.51 cents. We are seeing that beautiful trend line for Dogecoin. If you are a music player, it definitely looks like just a sheet of music playing really beautiful music. So I am happy to be a part of the Dogecoin community and the cryptocurrency market in general, because this is just the beginning, kind of in a sense how the internet first started. Cryptocurrency is integrated within the internet, but it's in a sense making it better. Having so much money pour into technology, we are going to see revisions of cryptocurrency and computer systems for faster transaction times. So this is just the beginning for what's going to happen. Okay, we are having that slight increase for Bitcoin, trying to recapture that resistance level of $50,100. Let's see if we can hold above that price value for Bitcoin. We're recapturing $50,500, not falling too far below. We can hope to see Dogecoin holding at that resistance level of 0.515 cents. I am liking Ethereum's charts, as I did invest into Ethereum as well. I will be looking to buy some more Ethereum because I do see Ethereum being right behind Bitcoin. Probably not $50,000 that it's possible, but I do not see Ethereum making $50,000 anytime soon. But it is going to have a really big increase in its current price value. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.514 cents. We're looking for that resistance level to recapture at 0.515 cents. We do have the motivation of Elon, so that is good to see the backing from celebrities and influential people. We have not had big central banks and people with the main harboring of capital put their assets into cryptocurrency. So when we can see those billionaires starting to adopt cryptocurrency as a form of value, we can see that cryptocurrency market cap reaching at least 10 to 20 trillion dollars, which were only around $2 trillion. So you can just imagine where we're going to end up. Slight rejection for Dogecoin, back down to 0.513 cents, holding up above that resistance level at 0.51 cents. I believe I did mention that resistance level of 0.51 cents in my last live stream, so that is good to see that Dogecoin is holding above that price value. Slight increase for Bitcoin, but we are still playing around at 50,100. We really need to close for Bitcoin with a green candle at $51,000. I can see at $51,000 we should have a lot more interesting price action occurring. Yes, B-Boy Alex, sorry, I was just trying not to be too distant in the live stream. I didn't want to bore people too much. But yes, B-Boy Alex, thank you for that. Thank you for that. Okay, Dogecoin is recapturing that resistance level at 0.515 cents. We are looking to hold this resistance level at 0.515 cents. We are going to have that selling pressure for Bitcoin, though, right at $50,100. I do hope your portfolios are looking nice, as mine have had an exponential increase from where they were just a couple weeks ago. So I am happy to see that we are making money from our investments. Let's see if we can hold at this trend level of 0.515 cents. Ethereum is trying to recapture $1,675. That resistance level for Ethereum was right at 17 to 1750. But we should be going there pretty soon, as people are picking up Ethereum, as it's a lot easier to buy one whole Ethereum than it is to buy a $50,000 Bitcoin. But please do keep in mind, this is just the beginning for Bitcoin, so picking Bitcoin up at $50,000 really is a good price value for where we are going to end up for Bitcoin. Dogecoin is still holding that resistance level right at 0.515 cents. We might still be having that rejection right around 0.513. But all in all, I am liking the momentum that we are having within the markets. As I stated before, it seems like I bought every cryptocurrency that was on the market, so definitely spread your assets out, but don't invest more than you are willing to see have a slight decrease in value. That is fairly normal in the markets of cryptocurrency, investing at a higher price, and that asset dropping ever so slightly, so your investment does decrease, but it is not for a long time. I do have the long-term outlook for its cryptocurrency. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding at 0.515 cents. Let's see if we can hold at this higher price value and area of resistance. If Bitcoin is holding at $50,500, we should see Dogecoin holding at that 5.2 price value. Okay, there's the correction for Dogecoin, back down to 0.513 cents. We are going to be trying to hold that price value of 0.513 cents up to 0.515 cents. That's a really interesting area to look out for. But Bitcoin is having the increase up above $50,100, so we can hope to see a lot more interesting price action for Dogecoin going into this evening, as evenings do seem to be a lot more interesting for its price volatility. Okay, recapturing 0.514 cents. We are looking to hold that area of price value at 0.515 cents for Dogecoin. Ethereum Classic is looking really good, so I think I was kind of bagging on Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash last time, but yes, any cryptocurrency you are holding is going to have an increase in price value, but they just for not having the increase in percentage that I was looking for, as different cryptocurrencies can give you a better percentage return on your investment. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.514 cents. But it is so good to see that finance is finally becoming decentralized and not being held by one sole entity. I think that was the purpose of America, is to give finance and opportunity to everyone, and we can just see the mass disparity that we were living in. So I think a lot of people have woken up to the truth of what is going on around them. Dogecoin is holding right below that resistance level at 0.514 cents. I won't be giving the full philosophical message in this live stream. I will just be giving you price values and trends for cryptocurrency. I'll try not to do that this time. Okay, Bitcoin is holding above $50,000, right at $50,200. It is good to see that people are buying more cryptocurrency, holding the line and not selling. We do have a lot of diamond hands out there, so I am happy for that. I definitely have diamond hand GME, as we have been having a battle in the stock market for GME, but I have not sold yet. I am still holding GME and AMC. AMC is definitely one that I see for a really long-term hold, because it's a movie theater, and when the coronavirus finally subsides, we can hope to see that people are going back outside and into the world, watching movies, doing what we used to do before this virus first started. So yes, AMC is definitely one of those that I have a long-term outlook on. Diversifying your portfolio with stocks and cryptocurrency is really important, not putting all of your assets that you hold solely into one place. I know a lot of people are definitely going to be wanting to sell their stocks and buy Bitcoin. That is just something that is going to happen. Dogecoin still holding at 0.514 cents, not dropping too far below, back down to that resistance level right at 0.5 cents even. We should be hoping to reclaim 0.52 cents by the end of next week, if we can have Bitcoin holding that resistance level above $51,000. So I will be coming with another live stream, probably Tuesday. I know I did mention Wednesday, but I think Tuesday and Friday would be a lot more easier to do live streams. But we were having a lot of interesting price action today, so I did want to come on and give you guys just a quick evaluation of where the cryptocurrency markets are currently standing. I did mention Chainlink. I don't know if I mentioned Chainlink, but I think it was let me see again here. I've literally bought so many cryptocurrencies, I don't even remember which ones I have, so definitely not good, but I assure you, my financial situation is okay. Oh yes, it was Uniswap. I did purchase Uniswap, and Uniswap is looking even more better. I'm so happy that I picked up some Uniswap, and it is looking good. So it is good to look at some other altcoins to diversify your portfolio with. Bitcoin is definitely the main one that I am holding. Okay, Dogecoin trying to hold above that resistance level right at 0.515 cents. Yes, I am just really liking Uniswap right now. Uniswap is doing some really good things. So we can hope to see Uniswap make at least that $50 level. I know we did have that high around $40 to $43. So it shouldn't be hard for Uniswap to be trading around $50. There's just so many cryptocurrencies out there. You can put your assets in as many places as you see fit. Not all cryptocurrencies will give you the same percentage return on your investment, so it is something to do your research on and make sure you are picking the right altcoins. But definitely I cannot see you going wrong with Uniswap, so I am liking that one. Dogecoin is holding at 0.515 cents. It is good to see that we are not falling too far below that area of resistance at 0.515 cents. Yes, Uniswap was a good altcoin. Compound is a good altcoin. There's just a lot out there you have to look more into and see if it's something that you want to hold long term or for the short term, because we can have that sharp increase in price value, but we are going to have corrections. So you do have to keep that in mind. When we increase in price value very quickly, we do have those corrections decreasing in price value. But if you are a long-term holder, you know that that is perfectly normal, and you just have to hold the line and continue investing. Staking cryptocurrency is definitely something that is beneficial to those who are holding. Okay, it is good to see that Dogecoin is holding right at that resistance level of 0.515 cents, having that slight increase. Oh, am I still here? Okay, I think we're having just a slight amount of difficulties. My computer seemed to slow down for a sec, so let me just see here. They're trying to stop us from live streaming. I don't know what's going on. If anyone is still in the comments, can you let me know if the live stream is still going? It does not look as though I'm having a good connection at the moment. Okay, let me do this here. Let me try to remove this. Just bear with me. I'm sorry. I have not had this happen before. Let's see. Okay, all right, we're back. Sorry about that. All right, so Dogecoin still holding at 0.515 cents. Let me get this right here. Okay. Okay, there we go. Is that right? Okay. Okay, that looks fine. All right, we're back. Sorry about the technical difficulties. I know you do run into that a few times on YouTube. So Dogecoin is still holding at 0.515 cents. It is good to see us holding above that resistance level at 0.515 cents. We are trying to recapture 50,500 for Bitcoin. All right, thank you for bearing with me through that. We might be having that slight increase for Bitcoin, recapturing that resistance level at $50,500, so that is good to see. We can hope to hold this price value right at 0.515 cents. That is important for Dogecoin because we can recapture 0.52 cents if we are trading at this area of resistance. I know I state this in almost all of my live stream videos, but you definitely have to be patient for what's going on. You're definitely not going to become a cryptocurrency millionaire overnight, but in dollar cost averaging and investing as much as you can, when we have those corrections, you can hope to see a substantial increase in your portfolio and your investment assets. So it is something to look into. We do still have a lot of people who are day trading, trading on the price evaluations of crypto. So that is still a contribution in the cryptocurrency market. I do see a lot more day traders switching from day trading into holding those digital assets, rather trying to make capital off of their trade. Dogecoin is still holding at that resistance level of 0.515 cents. Hopefully we can recapture $50,500 for Bitcoin and hold at that area of resistance. Okay, Bitcoin trying at $50,500. It's important for Bitcoin to hold above that area of resistance at $50,500. As we can see, Bitcoin will reclaim that $51,000. So I am hoping for Bitcoin to have that sharp increase that will give us a lot of good indicators for where we are going to end up within the next couple weeks. Reading charts definitely doesn't take a rocket science degree. It is something that is very easy to catch on to. I did not go to school for financials, so it is definitely something that I have taught myself and increased knowledge as I go day by day. All right, we are still holding at that resistance level for Dogecoin at 0.515 cents. The lower resistance level that we have is right at 5 cents, and below the resistance level of 5 cents, we have 0.495 cents. It's not very likely that we will be dropping to that lower area of resistance. Okay, that's slight rejection for Bitcoin at $50,500. It's not liking that price value. but Dogecoin is holding strong, not moving around too much. You usually do have cryptocurrencies and altcoins that have a lot more decrease in value when Bitcoin is having a correction. So it is good to see that Dogecoin has found areas of stability. We are liking the charts for Litecoin. Litecoin is looking really good, trying to recapture that $190. Litecoin really needs to be up above $200 and $250 to have that sharp increase in price value. But I do see the projections for Litecoin right around the $1,000 to $1,500. So I am very happy that I'm invested into Litecoin. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding at that resistance level at 0.515 cents. Not dropping too far below. Bitcoin is recapturing $50,600. So it is good to see that Bitcoin is holding its price momentum. Okay, right above that resistance at 0.516 cents for Dogecoin. Let's see if Bitcoin can reclaim $51,000 right on this live stream. I think this is my first live stream where we're actually having a good day, so that is awesome. My last live streams, they were totally boring, with me just talking, giving price evaluations, and not really moving too much. So it is good to see that we are moving, increasing in price value. A lot of people are excited for the stimulus checks, so we can hope to see people buying and increasing their cryptocurrency assets. Jay says, to the moon. Yes, I do believe that for Dogecoin at least, we have already taken off, and it is just the matter of fact where our destination is going to be and where the price evaluation and trading value for Dogecoin will subside. I do think we are looking for at least the 10 to 12 cents for Dogecoin. So we definitely have taken off because keep in mind we were trading at a fraction of a penny and holding at 5 cents and above is really good to see for a cryptocurrency that was initially supposed to be a meme cryptocurrency. Dogecoin has definitely turned into a legitimate asset that people are holding and putting their investments into. Okay, still holding above that resistance level at 0.516 cents. If we can hold this area of resistance, we can look to see Dogecoin reclaim 0.52 cents. And again, above 0.52 cents, we are looking for Dogecoin right at 0.55 cents. That is the higher area of resistance for Dogecoin to reclaim. So we can see us back at the 6 cents value within a month to 2 months. Okay, it is good to see us holding above that area of resistance of 0.515. We still have the resistance right at 5 cents, so that is still important to look out for if we do have a correction. But the bull markets are definitely continuing. We are not having that retracement for its price value. The evenings just definitely seem to pick up a lot more in the cryptocurrency markets. My initial investment for Bitcoin was around $22,000. I definitely wish that I could have got in a lot earlier. I was just recently moving out of my parents' house, getting myself acclimated in my own apartment. So my finances were definitely looking towards myself and not really putting assets into investments. But I did have that extra capital aside, so I was looking to gain my assets in some other way. So investing was something that I looked into, and I then found Bitcoin. I then found the digital asset of Bitcoin because these stocks were just not providing all that you need. So, well, all that I needed at the moment. So I did invest into Bitcoin when it was at $22,000. So I am very happy and that I got in around that price value. It is still never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, as I did buy Bitcoin at $58,000. I just have such a long outlook for where the price evaluation is going to be. So I definitely will not stop buying Bitcoin until the exchanges restrict me from doing so, which they already have. So hopefully by the time we get the stimulus checks, I should be able to purchase more cryptocurrency. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding above that resistance level at 0.516 cents. It is good to see that Bitcoin is holding up above its resistance level at $50,500. I'm so excited to see where the month of April and May will bring the cryptocurrency market cap. I know pushing $2 to $3 trillion is definitely not going to be difficult, as we are nearly there to $2 trillion for a cryptocurrency market cap evaluation. The main asset of that being Bitcoin. Bitcoin's market cap itself will definitely consume that of gold. So gold will definitely be the far better asset of currency. People will not be holding gold as much as they are holding Bitcoin. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding at 0.516 cents. It is good to see us up above that higher area of resistance above 0.51 is an interesting area to look out for, as below 0.51 cents we can see that retracement for Dogecoin back down to 0.495 at that lower area of resistance. Hopefully we do not have too much selling pressure pushing us back down to that lower price value. Okay, Bitcoin is still trying to make its way to $51,000. There is still the psychological aspect of Bitcoin holding at $50,000. As $100,000 Bitcoin is just around the corner, we are halfway to that price evaluation for Bitcoin, with so many people just learning about what cryptocurrency is. A $100,000 Bitcoin is definitely going to happen. I reassured my parents that holding digital assets is definitely something that you should look into. So I did have my mom buy Dogecoin, and my dad definitely bought some Bitcoin. So it's so good to see that we have a lot of people integrated within the cryptocurrency markets, no matter what your age is or your situation. Okay, slight rejection for Dogecoin, and back down to that area of resistance at 0.515 cents. Let's see if we can hold this area of resistance, not dropping too far below. I honestly do not see Dogecoin dropping below 5 cents. If we do, that area of resistance to look out for is 0.495 cents. I will try to accumulate some more Dogecoin if we do have that correction back below 5 cents. Okay, Ethereum is trying to reclaim $1,700. That is good to see because we were trading around $1,600 for my last live stream. $1,700 is a really good area for Ethereum. We will need to reclaim that 1,750 area. I do see Ethereum trading around that price value pretty soon. Dogecoin above that resistance level at 0.517 cents. We are trying really hard to push to that area of resistance at 0.52. There will be a lot more selling pressure at 0.52. So we should be looking to reclaim a new floor and area of resistance at 0.518 cents. That is the next. Jay says it's going up. Yes, it is going up. It is good to see that we are having that increase in price value. But we are still going to have those area of resistance where we have those corrections bringing us back down to those recent levels. So 0.515 cents is the area of resistance to look out for, and below 0.515 cents we have right at 5 cents. But Bitcoin is holding up above $50,500, trading at $50,600 for Bitcoin, trying to push up its way to $51,000. It's important for Bitcoin to hold above $51,000 to see Dogecoin reclaim the 5.2 cent price mark. Excuse me. There's just so much going on at the moment. But I am happy to see that Dogecoin is making new areas of resistance, as we were having a really hard time around the 4 cent level. We were being rejected at 5 cents, so holding above 5 cents is a really important area. All right, Bitcoin is looking really nice, trying to make its way. There's just a lot of selling pressure going on, so we can hopefully hope to see Bitcoin reclaim $51,000 by this evening. B-Boy Alex, thank you for that comment. We are growing Cali Crypto 209's channel as much as I can, as I have become a lot more involved with cryptocurrency. It definitely is something that I'm a lot more interested in, and it should be something that people take the time to learn more about and not just put all your money into a digital asset. You definitely want to research and learn as much as you can. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding at 0.517 cents. We are holding above that area of resistance of 0.515 cents. So it is good to see that we are not falling too far below. We are having a really nice evening in the cryptocurrency market. I am a little upset at my trading platforms, as they have restricted me from purchasing more cryptocurrency. I could have been purchasing more last night, as we were having that slight correction. And now this evening we look to be picking up in price momentum. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.517 cents. I assure you I will be buying more Bitcoin when I get my stimulus check, so definitely something to look out for, as we should be having that sharp increase in price value for Bitcoin up to $52,000 to $53,000. That will be happening fairly quickly. Alright, Dogecoin is still holding at that area of resistance above 0.515 cents. I'm definitely liking the stability with Ethereum, as they are coming out with the Ethereum 2.0, and a lot of people will be then able to stake their Ethereum and continue earning a passive income for holding your digital assets. I believe you can still stake your cryptocurrency in a hard wallet. Alright, Dogecoin still holding above that resistance at 0.517 cents. We might fall back down to that area of resistance at 0.515 cents, as we are having that slight correction for Bitcoin back down to $50,500. If Bitcoin cannot hold its price value of $50,500, we can see that a correction for Dogecoin holding right at 0.515 cents, which still is not bad compared to where we were trading. So 0.515 cents is a really good area of resistance for Dogecoin to make a new floor. Okay, Bitcoin Cash is looking a little better, not trading at that $500 anymore, $500 level anymore. I'm pushing up ever so slightly to $512. Bitcoin Cash definitely needs to be around $1,000 to $1,200, so $500 is pretty low for Bitcoin Cash at the moment. Okay, Dogecoin, let's see if you can push up in price value. I'm testing that 5.2 area of resistance. All right, Bitcoin is still trading at $50,500. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold above that price value of $50,500. Dogecoin still above its resistance level of 0.515 cents, holding at 0.517 cents. I am looking for Dogecoin to hold its area of resistance up above 0.51 cents, reclaiming 0.55 cents. If we can see Dogecoin reclaiming 0.55 cents, we can hope to see Dogecoin trading at the price value of 6 cents. But we will have that higher area of resistance for Dogecoin right at 0.55 cents. Okay, Dogecoin recapturing 0.517 cents, trying to make that new area of resistance at 0.518 cents. That was that higher area of resistance that I mentioned. If Dogecoin can hold 0.518 cents, we can hope to reclaim 0.52 cents. All right, Bitcoin is still having a hard time at $50,500, but it has not dropped below that area of resistance. We should be seeing Bitcoin make its way up to $51,000. If not this evening, we will be trading at that price value by Tuesday or Wednesday. So something to look out for. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.517 cents. We are liking that higher resistance level right above 0.515 cents. Below that area of resistance for Dogecoin, we have 5 cents even, and a lower resistance level right at 0.495 cents. B-Boy Alex, thank you for that comment. Yes, we definitely need as many people learning about what cryptocurrency is, getting the word out to people, and how they can invest into this new form in a digital asset. Digital assets will definitely become a main form of transaction as we are so integrated within technology. And doing so will just make the technology even more advanced. So it's definitely going to be something that is going to be really interesting. Really interesting to see where the technology from these digital assets will take us. But I can see a lot more companies and corporations picking up the aspect of mining cryptocurrency, as it is fairly expensive to acquire that equipment for mining. Okay, Dogecoin is still holding at 0.517 cents. We are looking to not fall below that area of resistance right at 0.515 cents. But with the momentum that we are having, it really does not look as though Dogecoin will be trading at 5 cents. 5.1 cents definitely seems to be the new area of resistance for Dogecoin. Okay, we are still holding at 0.517 cents. Bitcoin is having a hard time right at $50,500. It is fairly important for Bitcoin to hold above that area of resistance of $51,000. We are seeing that selling pressure decrease. So we should have a good evening for the cryptocurrency market. Okay, Dogecoin testing 0.518 cents. This is the area of resistance that Dogecoin needs to try and hold. If it can hold 0.518 cents and Bitcoin up above $51,000, Dogecoin will be testing the 0.52 cents. So it's good to see that we are increasing in price value. I do state this multiple times, but you definitely have to be patient within the cryptocurrency markets. The more patient that you learn to become, your assets will definitely increase. So being patient and taking every day as it comes is something to put into practice. All right, let's see if Dogecoin can hold this area of resistance at 0.518 cents. We might have that correction back down to 0.515 cents. That is the other area of resistance for Dogecoin to hold. Okay, Bitcoin trying to reclaim $50,600. We are having a good evening for cryptocurrency. Okay, Dogecoin still holding at 0.518 cents. Not having too much of a correction. Okay, let's see if we fall back down to that area of resistance. Bitcoin is having that hard time at $50,600. I do hope by the month of June or July that Dogecoin will be around that 8-cent level. That is really important for Dogecoin to make around 8 cents, as the all-time high for Dogecoin was around 0.91 cents. So reclaiming 8 cents would be really important for Dogecoin to push through that all-time high. All right, reclaiming that 0.518 cents, trying to make its way back up to 0.52 cents. This is a good area of resistance. So we definitely need Dogecoin to hold at this price value of 0.518 cents. If we have some selling pressure, then that area of resistance to fall back on is 0.515 cents. Below that area of resistance, we have 5 cents even. But the charts for Dogecoin are looking fairly bullish, so that is good to see. A few green candles trying to make our way back up to that 0.52 cent level of resistance. All right, Ethereum is testing the $1,700. Ethereum will have that sharp increase in price value, so I definitely urge you to keep an eye on Ethereum. $1,600 currently is very undervalued for Ethereum. But we do need to hold at the $51,000 level for Bitcoin. It does look as though we are having a really good evening. I'm picking up in price momentum ever so slightly. All right, Dogecoin is still holding at 0.518 cents. Not falling below to that area of resistance at 0.515 cents. Let's see if we can test the $51,000 for Bitcoin. We are having that selling pressure step in. So the price value is increasing for Bitcoin, holding at $50,700. We definitely can imagine looking back on these videos and selling at the price value of 5 cents for Dogecoin will definitely be surprising for our future selves. So it is really good to see that we are making history. Dogecoin still holding at 0.518 cents. We are holding that area of resistance up above 0.515 cents. $51,000 Bitcoin is very important, as $51,000 would determine where Bitcoin will be trading at within the next couple weeks. At this moment, we can either have a sharp increase in price or a very bad correction back down to around $40,000 to $42,000. Hopefully that does not happen, but it is very possible. Okay, slight correction for Dogecoin, still above that area of resistance at 0.516 cents. Let's see if we can recapture that higher price value of 0.518 cents. That is the other important area for Dogecoin to reclaim and hold. I'm sure the other altcoins are picking up in price value. One of the other good cryptocurrencies I was looking into was Aave. So I believe I did mention Uniswap and Aave, as well as Basic Attention Token. So that was a few of the altcoins that I do own. There are just so many out there, so you can diversify your portfolio as much as you can, or as much as possible. All right, Dogecoin still holding at 0.516 cents. But yes, I am really happy with Uniswap, so it is good to see that they are doing really well. Really, really well. I'm so happy with Uniswap. I'm glad I bought some Uniswap. Uniswap is trying to push that $34 level, which is really good. It's the higher level for Uniswap was around, oh well, maybe not. I guess Uniswap is actually trying to push through its all-time high, so that it is awesome to see. Dogecoin is still holding at 0.516 cents. Still above that area of resistance, right at 0.515 cents. Oh yeah, Uniswap is looking really nice. I know I said it like 10 times, but definitely look into Uniswap. Okay, Dogecoin, we are looking for you to recapture that higher price value at 0.518 cents. Okay, Bitcoin has recaptured $51,000. That is a good area of resistance for Bitcoin to hold. If Bitcoin can trade above $51,000, we can see Dogecoin trying to make its way to 0.52 cents. Looks like that selling pressure did step in. right at that 0.518 cent level, keeping us right below 0.52 cents. We are looking to hold above $51,000 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price value needs to be around $53,000. If Bitcoin can make it to $53,000, we will be seeing some really interesting price action. If you thought you were seeing interesting price action within the last couple of weeks, you definitely are in for a treat, as there are trillions and trillions of dollars waiting to be poured into Bitcoin. Okay, retesting the $51,000, a slight rejection for Bitcoin back down to $50,800. We are still holding that price value for Dogecoin right at 0.516 cents. That is good price momentum, as not dropping too far below 0.51 cents is important for Dogecoin. We are having that slight correction back down to that area of resistance. Dogecoin is trading at 0.515 cents. All right. Holding right at this area of resistance. Let's see if we can recapture that 0.518 cents. It should be happening within this evening, if not tomorrow morning. The stock market is opening in the morning, so I will be up watching the stock markets and cryptocurrency. I have caught up on my sleep. I know last week was a very tiresome week, so I have been getting a lot more rest, trying to be as sharp as I can for the week to come. Dogecoin still holding at that area of resistance, still trading at 0.515 cents. It is good to see that we have not fell too far below this area of resistance. The buying pressure and selling pressure is kind of leveling us out. We are still having a lot of selling pressure in the cryptocurrency markets. So we can see that decrease once everyone starts to get their stimulus checks and invest more into the market. So we need Dogecoin to retest its area of resistance at 0.518 cents. Bitcoin is having that rejection though, right at $51,000. We are not liking the $51,000 for Bitcoin. Six months from now, that definitely should be half of the price value that we will be trading at for Bitcoin, making its way all the way up to $100,000. Dogecoin still holding at 0.515 cents, trying to push through to 0.516 cents. It is looking really good. We really just need to reclaim that area of resistance above 0.52 cents. If we can hold that price value Dogecoin will make its way back up to 0.55 cents. That definitely is going to happen. And we do like to see Ethereum testing $1,700, trying to climb over that 1750 area of resistance for Ethereum. As I did mention earlier, Ethereum is definitely undervalued at the moment. So seeing Ethereum at around $2,000 is definitely something that's going to happen. All right, well, we should be having a really interesting evening for cryptocurrency. I will be coming back with another live stream, most likely Tuesday morning to afternoon. I do like to let the stock market close to then start a live stream giving evaluations on where we are currently standing in the cryptocurrency markets. All right, Dogecoin is still holding at 0.515 cents. We should be reclaiming 0.52 cents by the end of next week. I thank you all who are joining me and have joined me since the beginning of the live stream. I will be bringing you more content as I can. Let's see if Bitcoin can reclaim that $51,000. And I will be concluding this live stream for today. Yeah, we are still having a hard time for Bitcoin right at $51,000, but Bitcoin should be trading up above $51,000, and we can hope to see Dogecoin reclaim 0.52 cents. The higher area of resistance that we need to claim for Dogecoin is 0.55 cents. But we should be going into a really good evening in the cryptocurrency market. So definitely keep your eye on what's going on. I will be bringing you another live stream Wednesday afternoon, so definitely stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining me.